Turn the printer off. Then press and hold the Feed button as you turn the printer back on. A self-test prints. Save the printout, as you will need to include it when you return the old thermal printhead assembly. Turn the printer off. Open the roll paper cover and remove the paper roll. Remove the power cable. Open the thermal unit cover. Remove this screw. Then remove the FFC guide and the plastic shield. Pull the thermal FFC away from the pressure plate. Remove these screws. Then remove the pressure plate. If the springs detach from the plate, reattach them. Remove the thermal print head. Disconnect the FFC from the thermal print head. Connect the FFC to the new thermal print head. Install the new thermal print head. Make sure the sides of the print head are aligned with the guides on the frame. Reinstall the pressure plate. Make sure the springs are positioned over the dowels on the thermal print head. Reinstall the pressure plate screws. Insert the FFC under the pressure plate. Reinstall the plastic shield and the FFC guide, then reinstall the screw. Connect the power cable and reload the paper roll. Press and hold the Feed button as you turn the printer on. A self-test prints. Open the roll paper cover. Press the Feed button, then close the roll paper cover. A second extended self-test prints. Save the printouts and turn the printer off. Before you return the old thermal print head, roll all of the self-test printouts around it and secure the printouts with a rubber band.